In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick till the end without skipping any part. Firstly, open up the message on WhatsApp. Now the one thing that you need to know is that if it is an older message, you won't be able to delete it for everyone and you can only delete for yourself. If it is a newer message, you can tap and hold the message and tap on the delete icon that you see on the top, and you'll have an option of delete for everyone. But in case if it is an older message, even if you tap and hold and tap on the delete or the trash can icon, you wouldn't see an option of delete for everyone. So only you can do if it is a new message. Older messages won't have that option. So that was a quick and easy video on how to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.